Get paid $7,500 plus by answering simple surveys each month. Undoubtedly, making money online is a great way to earn an extra income along with your full-time job. But it's not just about finding a job you love and sticking with it for years on end, because there are plenty of other ways to make money online that don't require any special skills or experience. One popular option is answering questions online, and there are many sites that offer this opportunity where you can earn money by answering questions. So, let's talk about these. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can earn $7,500 plus of income by answering simple surveys each month. If you want to get rich, make sure to subscribe to our channel because we teach all the money-making methods. And let's get started. There are a ton of ways to make money online. But did you know it can be as simple as answering someone's questions through a website, app, or text message? It's straightforward. All you need to do when someone needs your advice, you write a well-thought response and hit send. And we are going to talk about something similar in the video. And by the end of this, you would want to know how to get paid to answer questions online, how much they pay you, and most important of all, is it really worth your time or not? Well, we're about to find out, so sit back, relax, and drink some coffee. And let's jump right into it. Study Pool. This is more of an online tutorial site. You will get paid answers to questions. The audience you cater to are school students trying to finish their homework or looking for online tutors. You can be a college student or a working professional with expertise in any one out of hundreds of subjects. So, based on your profile details and area of expertise, you'll be questioned from students, as this site has been popular among school students who need help with their academics. You need to charge for every answer you provide, and the students need to pay you if they want an answer from you. Study Pool looks after payments being made, thus taking its cut from your earnings on the site. You need to have an account on PayPal, as that is the only way they pay their experts. You can earn up to $7,500 a month, and the top most earners have earned as much as $100,000 over a period of their presence on the site. Help Owl. This is a free resource website that connects people to experts who can answer their questions. This website helps you earn for doing three things: answering questions, asking questions, and reviewing companies. Each of them will give you points that later convert into meaningful rewards. If you ask a question, you earn 50 points. For answering a question, you can make anything between 10 to 1,000 points. This is completely dependent on the quality and popularity of your answer. For reviewing a company, you can earn 750 points right away. After that, you can redeem the points either in the form of Amazon gift cards or Walmart gift cards. So you can shop online from these sites, but there aren't any direct cash rewards yet. Presto Experts. This is another site where you are a freelance expert. To get started, you need to validate your profile and select an area of expertise. Here, you'll have real clients of your own, whom you can consult as an advisor or simply answer their queries. There are around 600 different categories to choose from. So far, this site already has more than 30,000 experts from the respective fields. You get to charge your own rates, so there is no fixed amount. You are pretty much your own boss here and can set your rate per minute based on your competitors and demands. The average rate of experts on this site is $2 per minute. Usually, you get paid through PayPal. You can also get a check. The rates are charged from the clients, and you will be answering them either on phone or via live chat. Expert 123. This site works a bit differently, but can make you good money. You are free to either provide just answers, or you can write articles in order to get paid to answer questions online. Firstly, you need to register with the site, create your profile, and choose your area of expertise from a variety of fields. You don't have to necessarily answer live. You're free to take time and answer whatever question suits you. Depending on the popularity of your answers, you'll get paid. The site earns its money through ads and pays you your share of money for the answers you provide. If you write articles, there's a plus point that you might get a good following, getting more clients to write paid articles. You can earn anything between $10 to $120 per article, depending on the following you gain. Experts 123 pay their experts through PayPal. Just Answer. This is the most popular site to make money answering questions online. You need to be an expert in any one of 175 categories they make you choose from. You might have a degree or a certificate in at least some fields. Choose one, provide some verification, and become a paid expert. So you do need to have some proof regarding your expertise. They pay a minimum of $20 at a time, and people generally pay a certain amount of money to obtain answers to their questions. In return, not only do they get answers, but also a virtual appointment with you or any other expert. You'll get 20 to 50% of the profits that Just Answer gets, depending on your reliability and popularity on the site. You can get paid on PayPal, as well as Amazon gift cards worth $50. Ask Wonder. This is a site where you have research-based questions. You can choose to be a part of this community either as a researcher or as an answer writer. Both are paid for their respective jobs. At a time, you can take on a project on the side. We personally love this site for two reasons. Firstly, you do not need a specific area of expertise, as they don't need to answer live. Secondly, you don't just make money answering questions online, but also by asking them. If you register as a researcher for asking questions, your English and reasoning skills will be tested first. Once you pass, you can conduct any surveys or ask queries. You can earn anything between $8 to $20 an hour. On the other hand, the ones who answer get to sign up quickly and can earn between $15 to $18 per hour, provided the researcher is satisfied with the answer. You'll receive your payment through PayPal. Life Points. Life Points is an online platform that aims to provide a community for survey takers. The community was founded to establish relationships with like-minded people who want to help companies to improve their products and services through surveys. When you take a survey, your account will be credited with Life Points or LPs. When you have enough LPs in your account, you can withdraw them for Amazon gift cards or PayPal cash. Moreover, when you create a new account, you will get provided with 10 LPs in your account as a free bonus. YouGov. YouGov is a British-based platform that allows people to take surveys on a variety of different topics, including politics, public affairs, brands, and products. Users can sign up for free, and once they have registered an account, they can start taking surveys on the various topics that interest them. Each survey takes only a few minutes to complete, and you will be rewarded with points instantly after completing the survey. These points can be redeemed into gift cards and PayPal cash. So YouGov is a great way to get involved in the world of online polling, and it's also an excellent way to make some extra money while watching Netflix at home. If you're interested in getting started with YouGov, then be sure to check out their website today. So, surveys can be quick and easy ways to make some extra money, and they are a great way to learn about products and services that might interest you. Plus, survey companies will give you cash or other rewards for completing their surveys, so there's no reason not to take one every once in a while. If you're looking to maximize your earnings through surveys, we recommend you create an account on multiple platforms so that you can take more surveys. Survey companies typically pay between 50 cents to $25 per survey, which is not bad at all. However, there are a few things to keep in mind before starting out as a survey respondent or online question answerer. First, make sure the company you're working with is reputable. There are many scam sites out there that will ask you to complete surveys for them without giving you any money whatsoever. Second, always read the instructions carefully before beginning a survey, as there is no reason to complete a 1-hour survey for $2. So, start helping these companies today by taking surveys and answering questions, and build an easy side income for yourself and your family. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Which money-making idea did you like the most? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.